Firestorm following the passage of new gun restrictions rages on. Today, both the governor and the Washington Attorney General sent a letter to gun dealers in counties where law enforcement officials have said they won't enforce Initiative 1639, saying don't be fooled by their actions. 1639 strengthened Washington gun laws by raising the age to buy a semi-automatic rifle to 21, enhancing background checks and requiring training and safe storage. Our hot camera working for you tonight with what local gun dealers are saying after this letter.
This letter sent to gun dealers closely follows this letter sent to sheriffs and police chiefs, with Attorney General Bob Ferguson saying they could be held liable if they don't enforce certain parts of 1639. We've covered it closely as over the last few months, law enforcement leaders across the state, but largely in eastern Washington, saying they will not or cannot enforce 1639. That law passed by voters in November with 60% approval. But now this warning from the Attorney General, in no uncertain terms, telling gun dealers if you're thinking of not following the law, you could lose your license and face criminal charges. The message didn't go over well at Sharpshooting Indoor Range, where you can also buy a variety of guns.
You know, it feels an awful lot like bullies on a playground. You know, there's a lot of pushing and shoving going on between the Sheriff's Association and the Attorney General's office. It really just doesn't have any teeth, so it is all politics, I think.
Ball is planning to fight the new law in court, but says the part already in effect, raising the age to buy semi-automatic rifles from 18 to 21, hasn't really hit her that hard.
Well, the clientele for 18 to 21 typically isn't buying that kind of product. Shotguns are pretty common at that age.
But she says come July 1st, when the rest of the requirements go into effect, she's expecting complications.
I think we're going to see a change in our business.
Those other requirements include enhanced background checks, which will be handled locally, and additional training requirements. But meantime, as she sees it,
so we'll see how quickly the laws of justice turn.
I'm Hawkhammer, KXLY4 News.